Two giants in email marketing. One question: which one comes out on top? On the left, Brevo, the all-in-one, modern, multi-channel platform. On the right, Campaign Monitor, the choice for powerful, professional email campaigns. Let's cut past the promises and see how each platform actually stacks up. We'll score every category, and at the end, you'll know exactly which service wins for 2025. The winner might surprise you. Okay, first, let's see what we're actually judging these decent contenders on. We've got pricing, ease of use, automation and features, integrations, customer support, analytics and reporting, and, of course, deliverability. Because, honestly, if your emails don't get delivered, then what's even the point, right? Let's kick things off with pricing. You know what? Brevo comes swinging with a free forever plan. Yep, you can send up to 300 emails per day for $0. And their paid plans start really low, just $9 a month. Plus, you get pretty generous limits. You don't have to count every single contact and send. Okay, the advanced stuff does cost a little extra, but for basics, it's solid. Now, jumping over to Campaign Monitor, there's a flexible set of tiers depending on your list size, which is nice on paper, but there's no actual free plan after your trial runs out. And those entry paid plans start at $12 or more. If your contact list actually grows, you'll see that price tag climb pretty quick. Honestly, for affordability and value upfront, Brevo totally wins this round. Ease of use, a classic. So with Brevo, the interface is super modern, really clean, and even if you've never touched email marketing in your life, you're almost guided through the setup. Learning curve, basically flat. Now, Campaign Monitor is pretty friendly too, especially if you've fiddled with email marketing platforms before. Their no-code editor is sweet, but some of the more complex stuff might leave newbies scratching their heads till they get a bit more training. So yeah, Brevo takes this one for being just effortlessly approachable. Next up, automation and features. Brevo is kind of flexing here. They've got this awesome visual journey builder where you can literally map out every step, plus advanced triggers, webhooks, and those fancy conditions to customize stuff. Oh, and it's not just email. We're talking SMS, WhatsApp, website chat, and even a built-in CRM and sales pipeline. The only thing missing? Fully interactive email forms, which would be cool, but most folks won't mind. Now, Campaign Monitor definitely has a solid automated sequence builder and offers A/B testing, analytics, and solid personalization tools. But its automation is a bit more basic and doesn't hit those multi-channel notes. So if you're looking to really get nerdy with automations, Brevo is the clear winner. Oh, and here's something cool you maybe didn't know. Brevo was actually called Sendinblue just a couple years ago, before a big rebrand in 2023. If you've heard good things about Sendinblue, well, that's all Brevo now. All right, integrations. Brevo is rocking a respectable 58 essential integrations. Most major apps are covered, so you're not left in the dust. But let's be real, Campaign Monitor totally pulls ahead with 107 integrations. That's a huge network. If you want options, or maybe you're using some niche tool, CM probably has you covered. Heads up though, those deep, supercharged integrations sometimes cost extra. Still, for integration junkies, Campaign Monitor takes it. Customer support. Brevo is kind of going above and beyond here. 24/7 phone, email, and live chat. Like, if you hit a panic moment at midnight, someone's got your back. That's rare. Campaign Monitor gives you solid online and email support, plus a hefty knowledge base and tutorials for self-help, but honestly, the live help is limited to standard working hours. So if you love having a lifeline anytime, Brevo's your hero this round. Analytics and reporting is next. Big deal for the data nerds or just anyone who wants more than a hunch about marketing results. On Brevo, you've got the basics. Dashboard for opens, clicks, bounces, the usual. It's all there, though not super deep compared to industry leaders. Then there's Campaign Monitor. Wow, they really go to town. Segment analysis, full-on detailed reports, and you get feedback from A/B testing right in the analytics. If advanced measuring is high on your wish list, Campaign Monitor easily pulls ahead here. Last stop, deliverability and reliability. Brevo is solid. Like, your emails are almost always landing in inboxes, which, let's face it, is crucial. But Campaign Monitor is somewhat legendary in this area. They're kind of famous for deliverability. Major brands trust them, And there's a reason why. If your campaigns are mission critical and you want that extra peace of mind, Campaign Monitor wins hands down. Let's zoom out for a sec. Stacked up score-wise, you can kind of see the strengths and quirks mapped right out. Some rounds are close, some are clear sweeps. You can definitely spot where each platform shines. So here's my honest take. If you're starting out or you need multi-channel campaigns and you like the idea of having a CRM, a free forever plan, and a huge helping hand, Brevo is your winner. If, on the other hand, you're all about pro-level analytics, integrations galore, and absolute top-tier deliverability, Campaign Monitor is going to feel real good for you. Both are modern, both deliver, but the vibe is pretty different. If you want to see more honest product head-to-heads, or if you've got a weird combo that you want to see compared next, drop us a comment or follow along for new videos every week.